Hello cutie, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily Jasmine and today we are doing a little follow along booty workout that I, as a twerk dancer, do. Make sure you have a mat, come down to all fours, and we're gonna start with kickbacks. We're doing 8. So we first bring our knee in and then we kick out. Make sure that you keep your core nice and tight, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going into a pulse. Make sure that you flex your foot and you're basically pulsing up towards the ceiling. You're trying to push away the ceiling. This will start to burn in a second, I promise. Let's go over to fire hydrants. We're also doing 8 of these. And after our 8 fire hydrants, we're doing a up, kick, back in, and down for 4. This is the hardest, I know. And then we're gonna switch legs. So in, out for 8. And that's number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pulse up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire hydrants. Up, 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 up. 4 more. And keep going. I know it's starting to burn. Then we have our kicks, which is the absolute best finisher you'll ever do. And I know it is fine if it is starting to hurt now. I mainly do either 2 or 3 rounds of this. So we're doing a second round now. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch to pulse. Up, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fire hydrants. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And only the kicks on this side, and then we're done with this side, which basically means you're almost done. You have 1 leg left. You've got this. Okay, so let's switch to our last leg, kickbacks. If you want, you can do a 3rd round, obviously, but just know it's going to burn, but that's absolutely what we want. A few more, and then we're going to switch. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire hydrants. Come on, you're almost there. You've got this. I know it's burning, but the juicy bum doesn't come for free, does it? We are almost there. And kick. And 2. Only 2 more. Last one. Ah! Yes. You have made it. If you want, you can do another round, but this is it for today. I hope to see you back for another tutorial next week.